What is that?
Hello, Mom.
Trudy?
I knew it. You haven't left yet, have you?
I'm sorry, Mom.
I said 6 o'clock.
Honey, what part of that did you not understand? You know, Trudy, the entire world can manage to be on time. Why can't you do this one thing for me?
Are you trying to ruin
Christmas?
Trudy?
We're leaving now.
Nick's bringing dinner clothes, right?
Yeah. He's wearing a blue blazer, dress shirt, pink tie.
Did you plan the matching pink?
No.
We didn't plan it.
Get in the car.
Excuse me.
You're not going to the bathroom.
Oh, this isn't the restroom?
You're coming with me.
No, I'm going to the bathroom. Look, I'm not sure what kind of government-sponsored work program you're a part of, but What the hell is that?
It's a gun.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's a gun. It was used to fight the British. Maybe you heard of a little thing called the Indian War of Independence, 1857?
You're kidding, right?
Move it.
Hey, watch it.
For the love of God! Wake up! Wake up!
Ah, you. Blitzen.
Excuse you?
I'm looking for my boyfriend. Handsome, nice dimples.
Handsome, nice dimples. Don't see him. Maybe this is his way of dumping you.
Hi.
Hi?
How's your head? How about I take the blindfold off now? How'd that be? Hi.
Well.
Look, I'm not sure what's going on or what you want from me, but this plan doesn't seem very well thought out. Let's face it, I'm a guy, and sooner or later, I will overpower you.
Yeah, good point. Unless you knock yourself out first. Or I shoot you.
You seem like a nice girl. Probably nothing a little lithium couldn't fix. Come on, you're not really gonna shoot me with that thing.